Om Shri Sai Ram. We offer ourselves at the lotus feet of our most dearest mother. We begin this afternoon's program with a presentation. This is not a work of fiction. Inspired by the ocean of Seva, that is Puttaparthi, devotees carried a few droplets back home. 12 years ago, they started Seva in eye care in the tribal region of district Navsari in Gujarat. Such was the area that witch doctors had spread the word, and most believed that loss of vision was a curse of God and nothing could be done about it. God had to literally come down and show them that He loves them and can never forsake them. The following presentation could be the story of any of the 15,000 odd tribals that have been touched by this activity. Devotees who actually render seva in this project are a part of this presentation. The youth of Gujarat offer their hearts filled with love and a presentation entitled The Vision of God. Jai Sai Ram.
However, many scriptures you may read. However, many spiritual exercise you may do. If you do not allow your heart to melt with compassion, then your life will be a sheer waste. All practices have to be directed towards softening your heart, so that it will flow with kindness and love. Develop this feeling of compassion and allow it to flow fully and spread among all the people of the world. These teachings of our beloved Mother Sai is the Jivan Mantra of the Sai youth, who have surrendered their lives for spreading the Sai message through love in action. This is the story of such dedicated Sai youth who brings divine Jyoti in the eyes of Surdasa and divine vision of God through divine love and compassion.
Bharat,
Yes, Papa?
come here. Where is the lamp? Don't you know in evening always light the lamp in time?
Papa, this is no evening. It is just 4 p.m. Lot of sunlight is there. No need of lamp.
Is it? But I'm not able to see the light. It must not be 4 but 7. Beta, are you sure it is 4 p.m.? Or joking as usual?
No, Papa. I am sure. You may ask Vishnu.
Vishnu? Vishnu! Where are you? What are you doing there? Come here fast.
Yes, Bapa.
Why don't you reply? Light the lamp immediately.
But Bapa, it is still a day.
Don't joke.
No Bapa, it is just 4 o'clock.
But then, what happened to my eyes? I'm not able to see properly. I'm feeling as it's evening.
What happened, Papa?
I don't know, beta. But I'm not able to see anything. Where are you? Oh, Bhola. I'm not able to see you properly.
What happened, Bappa?
I don't know. I'm not able to see both of you.
Bapa, don't worry. Let me call Bua.
Beta, will I be able to see again?
Of course, Bappa. This must be a temporary effect. There can't be permanent blindness. Else we are absolutely okay. But don't worry. We are always with you.
Beta, our ancestors told, when wealth is lost, nothing is lost. But when health is lost, everything is lost. So when there is no vision, there is only darkness in the life.
Papa, I have brought Chhagan Bua. See, what happened to my Bapa? He has lost his vision.
Surya, the sun. How can you lose the vision when you illuminate the world? You must have done some sins for which God had cursed you. He has taken your vision. I cannot save you from the curse of God. But let me try.
Chhagan, I might have done so many sins. But God cannot be so rude. You do whatever you can. I'm ready.
Yes, Chhagan. Please do whatever possible. But cure my Bapa.
This is a very hard curse. No. Now no more. I cannot do anything better.
Chhagan, please try. Save my Bappa. He is innocent. He has not committed any sins.
Otherwise, God cannot curse him. There is no other possibility to save. You know Dinesh? What happened to him last month? Same thing. He was arrogant and lavish. But today, he cannot even come out of his house. Everybody has to suffer. This is a curse of God. Hundreds of people suffered in our village. Many expert bhuas came, but nobody could eradicate its ill effects. Surya, now you have to just accept it.
I have done many sins. God has cursed me for that. Oh God, please. Oh God, please, I beg of you. Please forgive me for my deeds. Please, God. Please help me. Help me.
The innocent people living in the village are in pathetic situation, and witch doctors like Chhagan Bhua misguides them and make them superstitious. But there is only one who can understand the unbearable pain of these innocent people. He is none other than Karunamayi Mother Sai. How can he curse his dearest children? His divine unsullied love is flowing for all infinitely. He sends his army of Sai youth whenever such evil rises to eradicate them with arms of divine love. Today, one such army of Sai has entered in the village.
Sairam, brother.
Namaste.
We are Sevadals of Sri Satya Sai Seva organization. We wish to arrange an eye camp here today.
Why?
Brother, we came to know that many people are suffering from eye diseases. So we have decided to come here.
But who told you to come here? From which party you all are from?
Brother, we are from Sri Satya Sai Seva organization. We are not from any political party. We never distinguish any caste or religion. We never charge a single pie from anyone. Our doctor shall check up the patients and shall give medicines. Those who are suffering from critical diseases shall be brought to hospital in our city for further treatment. We shall bear all the expenses for surgery and betterment of his health.
But why you wish to serve here? So far nobody has come here to provide any service without any motto.
Brother, our beloved Lord Sri Satya Sai Baba directed us to go into the villages to serve his innocent and helpless children in the village. He is the mother of universe and we all are his children. He has given us the mantra, love all, serve all. Hence, our motto is to serve our brothers living in this village selflessly. We pray you to allow us to carry out eye camp in the village and also let us know the patients suffering from critical illness.
Oh, sure. You may proceed. Let me know what help you need from us.
Nothing. You just send all the villagers here for the checkup. Prem, come here and go along with him door to door and invite all the villagers for eye checkup.
Yes, brother. Sarpanchi, can we proceed?
Yes, let's go.
Sai Ram, Sai
Brother, we are from Sri Satya Sai Seva organization. We have started eye camp in the school. Our doctor shall examine and shall give medicines free of cost. Do come and send others too.
Okay. Do you know, our Surya also lost his vision?
Oh no. What happened to Suresh?
Few days back, he suddenly lost his vision. Chhagan Bhua tried a lot but couldn't succeed. He said he is also cursed by God.
Oh no. One more person. Cursed. Now nobody can save him.
What happened, Sarpanchi?
One villager became blind, but he cannot be saved now.
Let's go to him.
But he cannot be saved as he is cursed by God.
Cursed?
When a person commits too many sins, God curse and make him blind. Here so many people have become blind in the past.
But why don't they go for medical treatment?
Our Chhagan Bhua is expert in that. He has all remedies. But When he says there is curse of God, that means there is no remedy through which a person can be cured.
But why don't you take them to the doctor?
For us, Chhagan Bhuva is the doctor. He is expert in all the disease.
Who is Chhagan Bhuva?
He is curing people with mantras and peacock feathers.
Oh, which doctor? But why don't you take him to hospital for treatment?
Who will take him? He doesn't have money, and hospital is hundreds of kilometers away from here.
Oh, is that so? Please take me to him.
Suresh, Surya,
Yes?
where is your Bapu?
He is inside. He's not well.
Brother, we are from Sri Satya Sai Seva Organization. We have arranged an eye camp today. We have brought doctors along with us. He will check up the patients and shall give medicines.
But he cannot go anywhere
Why?
because he has lost his vision.
No problem. We shall bring the doctor here if required. You please allow me to see him. Sai Ram Suresh Bhai.
Who is this? I have brought Prem Bhai here. Oh Ramesh, who is this Prem?
Sai Ram. We are Sevadals of Sri Satya Sai Seva Organization.
Oh, but we have nothing to give to your organization.
No. We don't want anything. Rather, we have come here to serve you. We have arranged an eye camp here. You come with us for checkup.
But I cannot come.
Why?
I am not able to see anything.
I will help you to come here.
But I am cursed, so I cannot go anywhere.
Cursed? For what?
I might have committed many sins for which I am suffering. God has cursed.
Can God curse any of his dearest children? Brother, God is compassionate and loving. He can never curse anyone.
But Chhagan Bhuva told me that I am cursed. Now I cannot be cured.
Brother, you come to see the doctor.
No. Now I don't want to go anywhere. I'm okay here.
But nothing would happen, brother. Our Bhagwan says, don't fear when I am here.
But the Bhagwan has cursed me. So I don't want him to get angry anymore on me.
But Bhai, we have no money.
We are very poor people.
Oh, we don't want a single pie. We are here to serve you. We shall bring your Bapu to the hospital in Navsari. We will arrange for surgery if required.
Oh, but it will cost thousands of rupees.
Yes, but with the divine grace of Bhagwan, everything is arranged. You just come with us. It is all free for you.
What? Free? But then you will take some other things from us. No, Surya, they will not take anything. Many people have come to our school. You come.
Brother, you don't worry. Everything shall happen on His will.
But I cannot come.
Don't worry. It is only your God who has sent us. We shall pray to remove the curse you have.
Yes, Suresh bhai. What happened? I have lost my vision. Oh, is it so? Let me check up. Oh, there is nothing. You will be all right. But how can it be? I'm cursed. Curse? Oh no, this is not curse, but this is cataract. We will get it operated and you will be all right.
Shall he be alright?
Yes, this is not a difficult operation nowadays.
But it must be costly.
You don't worry for that. Bhagwan Baba will take care of him.
साईं राम साईं श्याम दुख भंजन तेरु नाम
साईं राम साईं श्याम दुख भंजन तेरो नाम।
He is the only Dukhbhanjan in the world who takes away pain of the people. The God has been described as the indweller in the heart. It has been said that a heart filled with compassion is a shrine of the divine. When you develop that compassion, you will have the vision of God. These are the words of our compassionate Lord, Bhagwan Shri Satya Sai Baba. The only mission of his army of Sai youth is to have the vision of God in their eyes by bringing the vision in the eyes of the brothers living in the villages.
Doctor Saab, am I all right now? Shall I be able to see? Oh yes, within few hours of the surgery, people can normally see. So you will also be able to see. Oh yes, I can see now. Oh, I can see now. Bala, I can see now. Prem bhai, I can see now. I thank you very much. You are like my Bhagwan. No, Suresh bhai. Our Bhagwan is Shri Satya Sai Baba. Oh Bhagwan, you have given me the physical vision. Now you give me the divine vision in the heart. Dear Suresh bhai, our Bhagwan says, God has been described as the indweller in the heart. It has been said that a heart filled with compassion is a shrine of the divine. When you develop that compassion, you will have the vision of God.
ईश्वर अल्लाह एक तुम्ही हो, करुणा सिंधु सबका मालिक साई भगवान। ईश्वर अल्लाह एक तुम्ही हो, 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 करुणा सिंधोरा, करुणा सिंधोरा, करुणा सिंधोरा, करुणा सिंधोरा, दीन जनों के जीवन सहारा, 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 दया करो भगवान, दया करो भगवान, सब पर कृपा करो भगवान, कृपा करो भगवान, करुणा सागर दया भीरा, करुणा सागर दया भीरा, करुणा सागर दया भीरा, करुणा सागर दया भीरा, ईश्वर अल्लाह एक तुम्ही हो, ईश्वर अल्लाह एक तुम्ही हो, करुणा सिंधोरा, करुणा सिंधोरा, दीन जनों के जीवन सहारा, दीन जनों के जीवन सहारा, दया करो भगवान, दया करो भगवान, सब पर कृपा करो भगवान, कृपा करो भगवान, करुणा सागर दया भीरा, करुणा सागर दया भीरा, जय साई राम बोलो जय साई राम, 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 जय साई राम, ईश्वर एक तुम्ही हो, करुणा सिंधोरा, सबका मालिक साई भगवान।